goes nowhere.
Okay, resident fatty, we bought the 7-Eleven donut on the condition that he has to finish it in one bite. What's the punishment if he can't finish it in one bite? Peg! Well, that's the reward. We're gonna be shooting fireworks out of his sunroof at 70 miles per hour on a forest road if he can't do it in one bite. Forest fire! Alright, are we ready?
Mm-hmm.
Easy shit. What do you... Locke, do you think his dad would be proud? Yes, he would.
Yes.
Easy. A flower for the Vatum. Madam, Vatum. Vatum.
Oh god.
Okay, no fucking.
That's too many ices.
What?
Ah, ice, baby.
Is that so?
That's not the word.
And you said 4 fucking ices.
Ice.
Whoa, they got the fucking they got you know the well, you know it's like the you know
It's
the
guys, it's him.
yeah.
How's it going?
He's sexually groping.
God, John, can we do it in front of the Bucky statue?
Amazing. I'm walking home.
He's groping me. He's groping me.
Everybody,
He's groping your husband.
Locke, you're behind me.
No, now you're blocking Bucky. Oh yeah, you're right. Wait, you gotta move.
Non,
You come on this side.
je n'ai pas les fuck is a Bucky.
He's touching the motherfucker.
Tell him to stop. No.
So he was born on May 3rd, 2007. Sit you down, bud. He's stupid. Deku, the moonlight reflects off the dark ocean into your eyes. What do you think of that, Locke? I'm hoping the moonlight.
Yeah.
Hey, the world's largest bathroom just ahead.
That's true.
All the fish, even the Zionist ones.
Actually, it looks pretty cool.
Yeah,
I'll ask
the
Ryan
bathrooms
if
are
there's
usually
any
well
bugs.
maintained.
Ryan, are there any bugs in there?
Huh?
Are there any bugs?
Huh?
Were there bugs in there?
A little bit, not much. Not many.
I need to go shit, so
Yeah, no.
good luck, everybody.
Are we waiting for you?
I'm hoping the moonlight.
Yeah.
Hey, the world's largest bathroom just ahead.
That's true.
All the fish, even the Zionist ones.
Actually, it looks pretty cool.
Yeah,
I'll ask
the
Ryan
bathrooms
if
are
there's
usually
any
well
bugs.
maintained.
Ryan, are there any bugs in there?
Huh?
Are there any bugs?
Huh?
Were there bugs in there?
A little bit, not much. Not many.
I need to go shit, so
Yeah, no.
good luck, everybody.
Are we waiting for you? Yes, I did.
We are illuminated by the moonlight. My food?
Please don't point that at me.
Excuse me. I'm excusing myself.
Okay.
Yes, I'm barefoot in the $300 dress pants. Watch your step, you might explode.
More slugs.
Yay! Oh my god. We made it to the fucking sea.
Hey Anderson, you know what we have to do, right?
Hold on, Locke, do you mind holding this for a moment? Jordan, do you mind holding these?
Is that car light? Is that a lighthouse or a car light? Oh, the moon's out. Windy! Oh my god, I really hope a cop doesn't come out here. I kind of hope a cop doesn't come out here.
I mean, like, there's almost not to be here.
Well, they can,
I
but
mean, it's
you
a
know.
public beach. We're not doing anything. So.
Do you have a lighter?
No fireworks.
Hey,
Fine. If we kill all our enemies across the sea, will we finally be free?
no! Shit! Fill the water? Holy shit. Fuck these dress pants. $300. Who cares? Oh my god. Y'all care if I go home in boxers? They're striped in blue.
That's why that's why you need to get barefoot.
Wow. Guys, we should take a photo.
This is so.
Ryan, come on. Locke, get behind me. Oh, I know, I don't care. Like I said, home in boxers. Ryan, we have a photo going on.
I have all our puppies in my house. We have to wear these to work tomorrow.
I'm gonna wear you to work tomorrow like a rhinestone slipper.
You take a turn with the food.
Well, I'm trying to record. I'm sorry.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. I'm sorry, dude.
Their shoes are
I'm waiting for Ryan. Oh my god, my poor pants. I wanted to wear these to work tomorrow. This feels like a different planet. There's like,
I'm like giddy with emotion right now.
holy shit. Jordan, no! Don't get dragged away! Guys, come on, photo. Come on, photo. I'm hoping I'm getting us right now.
You're good, I got you.
I know.
Hold on, I'm gonna just.
I might also be going home in boxers.
Hey, pantsless game.
Pantsless
No
game.
pants, no pants. Oh my god, the moon.
See, move.
Everybody, let's get a shot where we're all raising our hands up towards the moon. Here, Ryan, get yours in closer. Jordan, too.
Oh shit. Fucking seaweed. She still scares me. I'm good.
Oh my god, this is the coolest fucking shot. Okay.
I gotta get a picture. Hey, can you get a picture of just me down here?
Oh yeah, I'll get a picture of you and Locke, too.
For sure. Yeah, that's
Local, cynical, liberal teenage Gen Zers overwhelmed by natural beauty of world. God's creation triumphs once again. Praise be upon Allah. Oh my god.
They're always so mad at us.
Never have we invoked the name of God so many
I feel
times.
so bad, but I know that even if we did ask, they wouldn't be able to.
Yeah.
My mom expected me to be home now.
Same.
I have school at 9:30 tomorrow. Oh my god. One more time, everybody hop in here. I want to see if I can get one with the moon behind us. No guarantee, because I have no way of getting the moon.
Hold on.
It's in here.
This is my floating head.
I'm just gonna get the entire background with us. Oh my god. All the seaweed. My pants! My pants! And I dressed so good too. Everyone,
At a time our pants get wet. Oh my god, you took your belt.
take.
Oh, at least take them off of there.
I'm running into the sea, Ryan.
Okay.
Old phone.
Holding your pants. Not it.
Not it. Just put them up with the rest of the shit.
bag of stuff over there. Oh, take your belt too then.
Yeah.
He's so free. Go! Go! Be free! Andy, I got all that on camera! You wanna go? No.
Did you get to the show?
I have all of your.
Huh?
Did you get to the shells or no?
No.
I don't get to go frog in the ocean. I do that fun.
Oh, my dick has salt water on it.
Your dick can have me on it if you want.
Finally! This is what it's all about, right? Jordan.
Oh, I can't draw on the sand. It's too soft.
Hey, Jordan.
Huh?
My partner isn't here with me. They're mugging me.
Sorry. You want me to do something about it?
I don't know. You're asexual. You're used to it. Well, are you?
It's been like 6 years.
Look at this and tell me you don't want to bring more life into this world. Oh, my dick is out. Mine's panting gone. I'm gonna go put my phone up. There's the stuff. Besides all the light pollution in the distance, the first humans who came to this place saw this exact view. The stars are in different places now. Maybe the beach is nothing like what it once was, but up in the sky. Humans reached Florida after the cognitive revolution. By the time they got here, they already had established religion, or at least some sort of belief. No, you're not. You're good. I wish I could pick up perfect shining film. I can't attest whether there is or isn't a God. No, I see why we believe in such a thing, even without His direct intervention for us. For moments like this to exist. And if there is a God, I'd like to thank Him for giving me the ability to appreciate a sight like this. I'm going to remember this moment. Across that sea after thousands of miles is Morocco and Iberia. And further past them, the Middle East, Europe, and the rest of the world. Those are friends and enemies, but at the end of the day, they're just people. I think my generation will be the first to grow, but it will live through times of perpetual peace, true peace, not just faraway wars shown like sports games on TV. I treasure being born in the final moments of peace, to be able to come to this place spontaneously and lightheartedly. See this.
Hello.
That's fucking gay, man.
Says you.
What the fuck are you doing? Hey, get that out of my face. You know it's rude to put a camera in someone's face. you know it's rude to put a camera in someone's face.
Oh,
Hey, did you get a ah! Allah's divine wrath has come for me once. Allah's divine wrath has come for me. The moon. Vanity of vanity, all is vanity. I wonder when my empire and my people come away from this place, if they should come after us, we'll see the same sight, we'll see the thing, we'll say the same things as me. I wonder how different we are than the ones we conquered, annihilated, and replaced in this place. Those Timaquans and Miak and the like.
He can take his pants off.
Don't film me taking my pants off.
Huh?
Don't film me taking my pants off. Turn the fuck around.
Sell it for how much? You say 30? 30?
$1,000.
$30.
30,000.
30 piece. 30
It's
That's your boobies, homeboy.
Nobody's looking at those. What do you see here? There's nothing.
Somebody somewhere. Come on, show him off. Show him off. Oh, kill him.
Nothing.
Kill him. You're still wearing the sweater?
It just got significantly darker.
Ooh.
Did you just take a picture of me?
No, I just got my phone.
I only
Ooh.
have an undershirt on under my.
Pleasure to meet you, sir.
I know.
You're an all-star. Get your
Trying to
game
see
on.
my
Go play.
sick ass scar.
Oh, look at that. Locke, put the light on it. Put the light on it. We're showing off. That's my peanuts. My peanuts is winnowing. Why do you get the flashlight?
We go, oh man. Not again. Off into the sunset. The cries of distress.
Drop it!
Yeah, me too.
Oh yeah, I can one.
Yeah, that's fine.
You want it?
Yes.
I'll take it out of this
I'm
one.
fat.
I'm just gonna save this for trash. Oh,
I'm going to put it in the penis pocket of my pantalones because my penis has shrunken from the cold water.
it's like falling out.
I have no room now.
I just want to toss this bag in the trash. Let me have it. If there is a trash, I really don't want to know what I'm there.
I really.
Hey Jordan, can you check if I have a belt on me? I have a belt on me, never mind.
We got everything, right?
Yeah, we got everything. There's nothing left in the sand. It's a matter of not dropping anything.
I'm not getting grabbed by the trash.
I'll eat one right now like a popcorn.
I know you will.
That's what New Smyrna kids do whenever they come to the beach. They eat them like popcorn.
I'm sure.
Pre-made.
That makes a lot of sense.
Instead of Publix, we have the sea here. I'm bullshitting. I'm just a psychopath. The reeds! There were reeds!
Hold on, I want to take a picture of the reeds with the moon in the background.
Oh Lord, they be mooning. Time to go home. It's rude to point a camera in someone's face, right? you breathed on my sandwich.
Oh, I'm sorry. I mean, I did already stick my finger.
Hey, don't run! Don't leave me! I'm too fat and cold to run. Yes, it's in the car.
How much is it about those raccoons and stuff? Pretty good chance.
Eat.
Who's brave enough to throw out trash in there?
I will. Time to go home.
Would you like a flashlight? Oh, you have
It's fine.
We just grab the water bottle and as we sit on over the edge, we just dump it on our feet.
But mein Wasser.
we're gonna go to the gas station. I have a trash bag.
I wonder when my empire might come after us.
Oh, that's my fault.
We'll see the same sights, say the same things as me. I wonder how different we are than the ones we conquered, annihilated, and replaced in this place. Those Timaquans and me aren't gonna like.